Next air.
Every time every time you put the tui wash na.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Hala, Nis.
Ano?
Ano gusto mo?
Ako wala.
Uy, Gaga. Fries.
Sorry?
Ko communicate.
Kasi break lang kami ng friend. Alam mo yung time pressure sa barko?
During
Baka
break
yung pressure.
time.
Kayang-kaya ni Pau
So
yan.
proud.
Kasi first time lang po siya
First time
makalabas.
na namin
Kakalabas lang po.
Kasi pinaiyak ka eh. Diba?
Ikaw na!
So, gari ka magbibigay.
Tangina mo, nakakain ka, ayos ka.
Then my mom just sent me food for lunch. Last errand is to have teeth cleaning here before my flight. Please keep your